Hi Pink Angels, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm doing what I do best. I have another haul for you, so I'm really excited to show you the pretty pink things that I bought this month. This isn't one specific big shopping trip that I went on, this is just some of the pink things that I picked up throughout the month and I wanted to show you. Before I get started with the haul, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who's subscribed to my channel. I am so close to 500 subscribers and that is absolutely crazy to me. It means so much. I really started consistently working on this channel, posting every week and working really hard on it around a year ago. I think it was last November that I started posting consistently, so it would be amazing if I hit 500 subscribers at that year point. That'd be so amazing. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, because I know that a lot of you guys watching are not already subscribed. So it's totally free, it's really quick and easy. You just click my face in the corner, you can click the red button just down below, or you can click my face at the end of the video as well. So easy, so many options, but please do subscribe because it really does help me out and it means everything to me. And I also am planning a little giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, so you want to be subscribed so that you're involved in that. So if you want to be involved in the giveaway and become part of my Pink Angel family, then please do click that button, because this is just a really nice, happy place in the internet where we chat all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, pinkness, and also you can feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _. I post lots of pretty pink content on there. I'm always chatting to you guys, and if I ever do any Q&As on here, then I ask over on Instagram, so you want to follow me on there so that you can be involved in my future videos. So with all that being said, I'm a little bit out of breath now. I'm just gonna go ahead and go on with the video. So the first things that I got were some candles. I found that Home Bargains had really nice candles, and I wish we had Bath & Body Works candles and just Bath & Body Works full stop in the UK, but we don't. So instead I found these in Home Bargains. They are so inexpensive and really good. So the first one that I picked up is a very summery scent. In fact, my brother found this one and said, oh, this actually smells really good, and it's baby pink, which is perfect. And this is the Mango Coconut Cooler, and this is just in the cutest little jar. I'm pretty sure this was only about 99p, maybe even less. It's probably could have been like 79. This smells like summer. I miss summer. Oh. It is amazing though. It honestly smells just like it says. It smells like mangoes and coconut. It smells just like a cocktail. It's honestly, this just reminds me of Hawaii. Like, this is what Hawaii smelled like. If you ever wonder, this is what it smells like. After feeling summery, I was also feeling festive, so I got a gingerbread candle. And this one smells really good as well. It's really cute because it's got a little gingerbread on it, and it's a really big decent candle, and again I think this was only 99p. And then the other candle that I got in Home Bargains is actually over there burning, so I'll do a little close-up of it because it looks really pretty, and that is the caramel apple cake. So I had seen someone post about this on Instagram and it was actually a different one. I think it was the cinnamon roll one, and it sounded absolutely amazing, and I went looking for it, came back with these ones and then the caramel apple cake because they didn't have the cinnamon roll one, but I love the caramel one. It smells so nice. It just looks really autumnal in my bedroom as well, and I think that I normally don't like autumn, but at the moment candles are really making my autumn nights feel much cozier and making me a lot happier, because I normally get a bit kind of sad when it's the end of summer, but right now I'm actually really happy that it's autumn. I'm embracing the spooky season and really loving everything pumpkin and pumpkin spice, and that candle is amazing. And then I also got another candle from K Maxx. So they have an entire pumpkin candle section. It is amazing. And I pretty much smelt every single candle, and I ended up going with this little one which is called Pumpkin Rum, which is kind of weird, but it just smells like pumpkin spice to me. It smells like pumpkin and cinnamon and nutmeg and ginger and all the goodness in the spooky season, and I'm just obsessed with it. So I'm currently burning them both together so that my room has a lovely kind of pumpkin-y spiced mix in the room, and it's amazing. I love it. So I popped into K Maxx with my mum and I got that candle. That was why I was going, because I'd heard about the pumpkin section, and I also came back with a couple of really good finds. I feel like sometimes you can go into K Maxx and find absolutely nothing, not what you're looking for, nothing you're loving, or some days you can just go in and they have everything and things you didn't even know you needed. So I came back with this amazing jumper as well. I just saw this hanging up at the end of the row and I just thought, oh my goodness, this is what I need in my life. So it's like a high neck pink fluffy jumper, just so cute. I'm obsessed. It has pockets right here as well, so it's kind of like a hoodie but like without the hood. I have a grey hoodie like this that's fluffy and I wear it when I am just chilling around the house and things like that, so it's so nice to have one that's pink as well. I love the high neck and it's just adorable, and it also has these longer sleeves which it's got a little space to put your thumb through, so I really like that when it's chilly to just snuggle up and be so warm and so cozy. I love it. So it wouldn't be an Aloha Amy haul without at least one pair of shoes. So I was just wandering around the shoe section in K Maxx as I always do, and I came across these. These are so pretty. I have wanted a pair of these for ages. I have high top Converse, but they're the bright pink colour. I bought them years ago and they had been literally like my bucket list shoe to buy. Like ever since I was a child, it was just a thing that I really wanted, and I'm so pleased that I bought them, but I don't honestly get a lot of wear out of them. But these I will get so much wear out of. I wore them to uni today with this jumper and some black jeans, and it's just a super casual look, but these shoes are just adorable. I love the colour and the fact that they're not like the high top ones, because I feel like these are more wearable for me anyway, and they're just so cute. I love the colour. They're so pretty and I really don't want to get them dirty because they're so perfect. I really needed a couple of skirts for the winter time and the autumn, just to wear with tights and jumpers and things like that for uni and just kind of everyday wear. So I got a couple of really pretty skirts from H&M, and the first one is this one right here, and it's this really cute black velvet skirt with embroidered detailing. I just love embroidery. I think it's so pretty and classic, and I know that it's now like a bit of a trend, and I'm definitely like buying into anything that's embroidered, because even when this goes out of trend I'm still going to wear embroidered things because I've always loved that. So I think this skirt is so pretty and it's just really simple, and it just looks gorgeous with a jumper and tights and boots. It's just such a cute look, and it's nice and cozy and comfortable as well. Like this is really stretchy, so it's not uncomfy, and I like that. The other skirt that I got is this beautiful black denim skirt, and this has pink embroidery on it, and this just looks so pretty. I posted this as part of an outfit on my Insta story the other day, and I got loads of messages complimenting me on it and asking where it was from. I just think it's so cute, and it's also really stretchy as well. So I just think this is super pretty, and again it'll go with most of my autumn winter jumpers with black tights and ankle boots, over the knee boots, calf boots, whatever I'm feeling like, and I just think it's really classic, cute, pretty look. Next thing that I got is a really pretty jacket. I needed a new jacket for when it snows because it always seems to snow in Scotland, and I love snow, it's amazing, and I love being cozy, but I didn't really have a proper jacket for it, and I bought this new one and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I saw this in the gilet version of it like last year. I just knew that I needed this, so I was searching for it for ages and they didn't have it in pink until pretty recently. So this is the coat that I got. I am obsessed with it. I think it is so pretty and beautiful. Like this is the most perfect pink colour, and it's really pretty and puffy. I love it. So this jacket is from the brand called Jules, and I have never bought anything from Jules before. I've never really taken much notice of it until I saw this jacket, and I'm obsessed with it. So it has this gorgeous furry hood which is so pretty, and it's like a popper one, so you can take it off if you want to, but it's actually really good because it stops me getting makeup on my collar, because if the makeup went on the pink it would be really noticeable, but it means that I can cozy up into my jacket and not get makeup all messed up on the pink. And then it's got a really nice furry hood as well, which is so pretty, and the whole hood is detachable as well, but I'm just going to keep it on because it's chilly here, and it's perfect because I just love bundling up like in the mornings. Like today I had to leave for uni at when it was literally still dark outside and it was frosty and it was cold and I just wasn't ready to face the world. So just putting this big coat on and putting my hood up while I was driving, it was just perfect, and I really, really love it. And this is what the back looks like. So there's these gorgeous buttons and this really pretty detailing. It's just such a cute coat, and it's very like kind of fitted into your waist, so flattering, and I love it. It's just so pretty. I bought 2 pairs of shoes. So the second pair I got from Debenhams. They are from a brand called Paradox London, and this is what they look like. They are so beautiful, a dusky pink satin with this gorgeous brooch. I just love this. They give me major Carrie Bradshaw Manolo vibes. They're just so gorgeous, and I feel like this kind of shoe is just so classic. Like, you can't go wrong with this, and it's so elegant. And just so you know, I got these in a size 4. I'm, like I said, normally a 5, but I definitely needed to downsize so that they fitted, and I think I might also wear these with a insole because they are still a little bit loose. So an insole is recommended, but I love them. They're so pretty. Funny story about these, I received a message yesterday when I was out in the morning saying that these shoes would be arriving between 12:01 and 2:01. So I was out at the bank and I rushed home because it was just before 12 o'clock. Rushed home and sat and waited for this, and I was sitting, I did some uni reading, I watched the new Made in Chelsea. I actually had things to do like out. I needed to go to Sainsbury's and get some shopping, but I put that off because I wanted to be in for this delivery, and then it got to 2:01 and there was still no shoes, and I really needed to collect my brother from university, so I left, and then I came back, still no shoes, and I then checked my emails and realised that it was between 12:01 and 2:01 today, not yesterday. So I literally sat around for 2 hours when I had things to do. I waited around, and yeah. Only I would do that. Like, seriously, I really need to start paying more attention to things. I just got so excited about the shoes arriving, so I just sat by the door waiting for them. But yeah, this is what they look like. They were worth the wait, and I literally rushed home from uni today. Like, my lecture was meant to finish at 11:15, and at 11:30 I was still there, and the shoes were arriving at 12:01, so I needed to get home, and it takes me a good hour to drive home. Class finally finished. I like bolted to my car because I knew I needed to be home for these shoes because they are so beautiful and they were definitely worth the wait. So that is everything that I bought. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what the pretty things that I got. I love showing you, and I really hope that you enjoyed this. So like I said before, if you are watching this and you have not already subscribed, then please do click that subscribe button because it really does help me out, and I'm so close to my goal, and it'd be amazing if you got involved in my giveaway as well as my Pink Angel family. So thank you so much for everything, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!